WordPress Services 101, Affordable WordPress Maintenance for Artists. WordPress services encompass a wide range of offerings that cater to different aspects of WordPress website development, management, and optimization. Here are some common WordPress services. 1. WordPress website development. Professional web development agencies or freelancers offer WordPress website development services. They can create custom WordPress themes, plugins, and websites tailored to clients' specific needs, whether it's a simple blog, corporate website, e-commerce store, or complex web application. 2. WordPress theme customization. Theme customization services involve modifying existing WordPress themes to match clients' branding, design preferences, and functionality requirements. This may include customizing colors, fonts, layout, adding custom features, and optimizing for responsiveness. 3. WordPress plugin development. Plugin development services focus on creating custom WordPress plugins to extend the functionality of WordPress websites. Developers can create bespoke plugins to add new features, integrate with third-party services, or streamline workflows based on clients' requirements. 4. WordPress maintenance and support. Maintenance and support services ensure that WordPress websites are kept up to date, secure, and running smoothly. This includes regular updates to WordPress core, themes, and plugins, security monitoring and malware scanning, backups, performance optimization, and troubleshooting technical issues. 5. WordPress SEO services. SEO, search engine optimization, services for WordPress aim to improve a website's visibility and rankings in search engine results pages, SERPs. This may involve optimizing content, meta tags, headings, URLs, site speed, mobile friendliness, and implementing other SEO best practices. 6. WordPress security services. Security services help protect WordPress websites from hacking, malware, and other security threats. This includes implementing security best practices, setting up firewalls and intrusion detection systems, conducting security audits, and providing malware removal and cleanup services. 7. WordPress hosting services. Hosting services specifically optimized for WordPress offer features such as managed hosting, one-click WordPress installation, automatic updates, performance optimization, and expert support tailored to WordPress websites' needs. 8. WordPress training and consulting. Training and consulting services provide guidance and education on WordPress website development, management, and optimization. This may include one-on-one coaching, group training sessions, workshops, and consulting services to help clients maximize their WordPress website's potential. 9. WordPress migration services. Migration services help clients transfer their existing websites from other platforms or hosting providers to WordPress. This includes migrating content, databases, settings, and configurations while ensuring minimal downtime and preserving SEO rankings. 10. WordPress performance optimization. Performance optimization services focus on improving the speed, responsiveness, and overall performance of WordPress websites. This may involve optimizing code, image compression, caching, CDN, content delivery network, integration, and other techniques to enhance user experience and SEO. These are just some of the many WordPress services available to help individuals, businesses, and organizations leverage the power of WordPress for their online presence. Whether you need assistance with website development, maintenance, optimization, or support, there are WordPress professionals and agencies that can provide the expertise and services you need.